Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to check login devices on X or Twitter. First of all, you can open the X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. And after this, you can now tap on settings and privacy at very last. And here you can now tap on security and account access, and now you can tap on apps and session here. Now after the loading, you can just simply tap on sessions, that is second option, and here you can check login devices on Twitter or X, and here you can log out of all other sessions if you don't require these sessions. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.